Hello everybody.
Hello.
You alright?
Knackered.
Knackered. Well, welcome to an extremely secretive air raid shelter. Can we say it's in a county?
Kent.
We're in Kent. And above us, we had a manhole cover, and there's Paul. So hello to the audience. Morning, because it is very early in the morning.
Very early morning.
But without stating obvious reasons. This is incredible.
Yes.
And not many people have filmed this.
No.
And we're not going to give away locations, so please don't ask. And if you know, you're going to keep it to yourselves, otherwise we're just going to delete the comment, because this is an extremely immaculate air raid shelter. Right, we're not going to do anything fancy. See us on the other side, and we'll crack on. Come on. Welcome back. Let's explore it.
Let's go.
Okay, come on. So we're just going to take you first person. We'll do some extra stuff as well. Sophie's going to take some photos, but obviously they will be not available on here. They'll be available on our other social media. So we know the layout really clearly. It's two squares divided by a central column, or at least two columns, I can't remember now. Toilet block.
That looks like it could be the original wood door.
Yep. People have had a Halloween party down there as well, haven't they? And then, yeah, exit again. Ironically, we didn't go through that because you just can't. It's all buried underground. Look at that. Oh, wow. Yeah, look. So this is where it would have risen up. Oh, wow. So look, two sides.
In and out.
In and out. And then the, oh, sorry for cabling. Although it looks slightly more modern. But yeah, look. That's as far as I need to go, I think. Because it's just obviously above us. Literally is the ground. Although I wonder if you can. I don't know. Hard to know. I think that's as far as it goes. Turn round.
Possibly by steps, the way that's been.
Yeah, trellised.
Yeah, there must have been something in there.
Another bit of a manhole cover there. Look from the other side. Yeah. Huh. So that's where you would have come in from. So this must be the central corridor passage. They look original. Incredible. There's a bottle top there. And those ones that corks. But yeah, look, the original signage. That's crazy. Yep. Should be able to get.
Is that the ladder at the end? It is, isn't it?
I can't see, but yeah.
Feels like it could be.
Can we get round?
Yes.
Yeah. Won't go obviously through this way. So obviously at the end of these blocks, these are probably toilets. You can see that they probably would have had some maybe courtesy blanket over them, not over them but across, and then just some crude toilet maybe, some chemical one that normally would have been the case. But yeah, look at this, proper concrete, incredible condition this one. Without giving anything away, and I'm not going to because I can feel Sophie's eyes burning in the back of my brain, this isn't a shelter that you think it is, because there are similar ones in Kent.
Oh, really?
But if you know, you know. What can you go in front?
I don't know if that ladder is like a ladder.
Yeah, and then we're at the end.
Oh, there is a door there.
There's a door there. Very cool. Amazing.
Yeah. Yes, this I could see. I thought looked like a ladder.
Yeah.
Concrete.
It's interesting because, again, without saying too much, there are other shelters that are very similar to this in the design. Almost identical, in fact. But the fact that, like I said before, this one has barely been documented or filmed, and we really mean it on this one. It's interesting. There's another door. There's your sign for your exit. Look, we know that's where we are at the end.
Yep.
So that's as big as it is. But we need to go down from where we came in, though, don't we?
Yes.
Because we actually haven't done that bit yet. But there's a door. Very cool. And then, if we go through this way, you can see where our torch is, where we sort of entered from. You can see the barbed wire as well, which obviously blocks it off, but we know the layout's quite straightforward layout. And then, yeah. Oh yeah, look at this. What does that say? Accommodation, trenches, persons. Don't know if you're going to be able to see that. It says accommodation, we must do. Trenches, persons. Yeah, that's incredible. Let me just see if I can pick that up without that breaking. Yeah, definitely says accommodation. What do you think, Sophie?
Yeah, that says it.
Trenches, I reckon that says. And then persons. And that'll probably tell you how many people. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's cool, isn't it, Soph?
Big car.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's very fragile. It's wood, actually, I think.
No, it's car.
Is it card? It's very fragile. Yeah, that's very amazing. Look, and then it's right here. That's very cool. There's no other signage that we can see.
Just the exit sign.
Just the exit signs, but still. What do you think?
It's cool, isn't it?
It's very cool.
It's obviously very damp down there.
Yeah, it's very damp down here, but, you know, as a recording, we're allowed to say it's been raining, bucketing it down. That is so cool. Just to see that signage. So yeah, there's, like I said, there's doors here that I'm...
Look, did you see that?
Actually didn't even see the shaft, look.
Just look to the right.
There you go. So that's almost on every corner, which is about right again for the ones that most people have seen. There's a door, which is fantastic. I don't think, hard to tell. It looks dateable, but I don't really think you'd have a door down here. If these are toilets, you'd normally have, well, we know they'd have a screen or a courtesy blanket, and then the idea is that you see where those two concrete plinths are, you'd normally have chemical toilets sometimes, or most of the time they'd be like these chemical ones. We've seen them on my channel before. I think you'll know if you know. And because of where we are, again, without giving the location away, I wouldn't be surprised if they had that type of thing rather than civilian made ones, let's just sort of say, which were like wooden little boxes and stuff like that, again, which we've seen before, but remarkable, really. You okay if we carry on? Mm-hmm. Look, they're safe. Look, taking some photos. I wish we could see, there's, the idea is that fundamentally, if you didn't know already, you'd be sitting on benches. Now, these benches don't seem to be here anymore. They could have either rotted away. Obviously, we do see particles of wood here. It's quite possible that in this case these benches would have rotten away, like we said, or that maybe they just weren't here to begin with. But it really does, it's really interesting to note. You even hear of locals who would be pinching stuff from air raid shelters, such as benches, etc., for their houses. It's, I've read reports on that before, is that once the threat of the war's ended, let's just see what we can sort of take. Why wouldn't you? If you wanted a fancy bench or something like that in your house, there's another one, yeah. They're on every corner. Why wouldn't you take a bench? really. We're not saying this is the case on this one, but there are doors. They seem to be on every corner as well, where the toilets are. But there's no latches or anything to assume that they would have had, you know, doors. And that would be new to me if that was the case. I think people have just, I don't know on that one. Interesting. Always good to be humbled by little bits. You can interestingly see with the eye of faith a little rung here, potentially where the benches would have been screwed in. So it's almost certain then that they probably would have, in this case, actually had the benches in here. And this is obviously the barbed wire section. So we know in this case this barbed wire signifies the central point of this shelter. And then as we come round, bits of metal here, all curled up. No what? That's interesting. Is that like a little? Look at that.
So it's a can, isn't it?
It's a can. How beautiful. Oh look. Looks like some sort of tarp or something. And then that's our exit point. We'll come back and have a look, because it's rare that we get these opportunities to do these. Like I said before, everybody, this is one that we can safely say on this occasion. Really not many people have explored. No, I mean really not many people. Now I'm going to just carry on. Find out where Sophie is. She's on the other side. There you are. Hi. Oh, we haven't done this yet though, have we? So, we'll go. Hi. More bits of metal that are sort of all twisted and yeah. What?
It's complete there.
Are they like a bunk then? Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a bunk.
Maybe they're bunks.
That's like the bunk frame.
I wasn't expecting to see bunks in here. But then again, without giving away the location, I can imagine overnight you'd want an element of comfort rather than just a bench. I've never seen that before.
No.
Never.
Unless that's...
But there's bits of wood there as well.
Yeah, it's on a frame.
Don't want to kick it, was it? Don't want to damage anything.
Unless it's some sort of
oh, careful of
stretcher.
yeah. I never thought I'd say careful of the fake spider's webs. Another exit.
I see the local kids have had a Halloween party down there.
Yeah.
The local ones.
Let's see, toilets again, we know this. Little concrete little plinths there as well.
Complete one.
Probably just one of these things that, you know, when you come down here, you're like, this is such a once in a lifetime opportunity to do this. Yeah. We can step round them, can't we? Yeah. Last thing we want to do is break anything. Just, that's crazy. I've never seen that before. They do look like bunks. And then we're at the end.
So there's two concrete blocks in each, and that's got a circle on it, so there were probably two toilets.
Yeah, chemical toilets that everybody knows. I think we're quite okay to say that on the channel, that we've seen them before. Yeah. You've seen them on our channel a lot before, even on RSC posts. Yeah. Even our RSC posts are a little bit obviously more modern in date. Still those chemical toilets that we have.
I think these must have been part of a bunk.
Yeah, it's really weird how they're all there. You've got the wood, isn't it, as well?
Mm.
Yeah, crazy. Back at the beginning. And then Paul, hopefully...
I think it's all the frame.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, it's a bunk, isn't it?
That's amazing. The fact that still survives. Yeah, it's got to be like some sort of bunk or frame. I've never seen anything like that before. People could be screaming at us and going, that's wrong, but it's too coincidental that they're there. Mm. You can see that, look, where the wood has been sticking out as well. It's almost too coincidental. Look at that though. Absolutely amazing. I genuinely didn't think I'd be avoiding fake cobwebs. But there you go. Right. Well, I'll tell you what we're going to do. Paul there.
Oh, yeah.
Paul? Would you like to come and have a look?
Oh, that'd be kind.
Would you like to have the camera to have a look as well?
Hmm?
Yes. So, we're now going to switch over to Paul's perspective.
Paul can.
Paul can, because it would be great to see your reaction, mate. Everybody, just had a quick pause in play. We're all down for a second. Sophie's there, taking some wonderful photos. And then behind me is the man. The man with the plan.
Hi all.
Hello.
Hello.
How you doing, mate?
Yeah, very well.
Yeah, I know. It's like we haven't seen each other
It's for a while.
It's been, we've almost been transported back to World War II
Fantastic.
for a second. You're going to love this.
Can't wait.
I'm now going to pass over the camera to Paul, and then you're going to get a first-person perspective.
Thank you very much, Dan.
Where you go, mate?
Let's go and have a
It's
look.
quite straightforward. It's all square. You'll see that in the middle there's barbed wire, but you can get round in terms of you can go
Yeah,
round.
sure.
Round, but it's just two squares.
Okay.
All right, go for it.
Let's have a little look.
Yeah.
Did you go this way?
Yeah, go for it, mate.
Okay, cool. Let's go.
You might get lost.
Give us your opinion on what the wooden bits are, the metal bits are.
It's on
Okay.
the left. And careful of the fake spider.
The fake spider web. Looks like benches of some description, maybe. Yeah. Could be benches.
Oh, I'm talking now.
Oh dear. Don't keep me in the dark. As you can see here, that there's benches, there's bits of metal on the floor we have here. Let's see what we've got up in the end. Wow. Hello. Oh, this is really cool, isn't it? Look at the sign at the end. That's really cool, that, isn't it? That's really cool. Looks like there's another escape hatch up there. Hello. It's the exit. Looks like some kind of bunk, maybe. Have we got down here? Not sure. It's really cool. Let's see what we've got down here. Excellent. Is that? Oh yeah. That's cool. Bit of a can. Looks like benches maybe of some description, do you think?
Bunk.
Bench bunk, yeah.
Something.
That sign's cool.
Wait till you see.
Oh,
Did you want to swap torches?
that's fine. What's one on there? Oh, that's pretty cool, isn't it?
So you don't do that torch?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
What's up here? The exit.
That is the exit.
Let's go and have a look at the exit. Wow, look at that, everybody. That is so impressive. Obviously, bricked up now. This would have been the exit, and you've got some power cables running along as well. That is really cool. That's cool. And then at the end here, I think this is where we've got some barbed wire. Cool. That is cool. Should we go down now? It's down now. Do, do, do. There's a pole. This tunnel complex goes on forever. Absolutely. There may be a door to some description we've got here. Let's just go. And then at the end, what we've got here. A door. And a door. And what's that? This could be another door by the looks of it. Yeah. Oh. There's a door. There's the exit. And that's back where the barbed wire was. So we have to go back this way. But this is really cool. So there's the exit. Oh. So we'll go this way. And here we are. Back at the beginning. Hi, so.
Hi. Hello.
Hello.
Are we done?
I think so, sir.
Okay.
That's amazing.
Well, yeah, we'll sign off when we're up at the top
Okay.
in a remote closed lake. Oh, do you just want to say goodbye now?
We'll say goodbye now.
Yeah. Well, everybody, that was Phoenix History. If you can hear me, hopefully you really enjoyed that. This is a really rare place. We're really rare, really special place. We're so grateful to actually get this opportunity to do it. Say goodbye, everybody.
Bye. See you later.
Bye. Because history matters. Because history matters.
Is it?
Right, turn it off.
Compare.
Bye. Compare.